Good morning, friends. In this lecture, we shall start discussing unit number 4, that is doors, windows, lintels, and arches. So, in this video, we shall discuss regarding introduction to the doors. The objectives are to study the concept of door, to demonstrate the technical terms related to doors, and to learn sizes of the doors. So, what is door? A door may be defined as an openable barrier secured in a wall opening. So what is door? Door is nothing but it is an openable barrier secured in a wall opening. So for what purpose it is provided? So it is provided to give an access to the inside of the room. At the same time, it serves as a thermal, acoustic and fire barrier, also as a weather barrier, as a part of an external wall. So door is nothing but it is an openable barrier which is provided in the wall. It may be provided in internal wall, it may be provided in the external wall. When it is provided in the external wall, the main purpose is, the main function of the door is to provide access in the room or in the building. To enter and exit, door is provided. At the same time, it serves as a thermal, acoustic and fire barrier, also as a weather barrier, as a part of an external. So it allows light and ventilation to come inside, right? At the same time, to go, it allowed to exit the temperature, inside temperature if it is more. So this is the function of door. Now location of the door. Where door should be done? Preferably door is located near the corner of a room. From privacy point of view, normally doors are located, or it is the general practice, doors are located in one side of the room or in the corner of the room, so that with this the purpose will get served. At the same time, privacy in the room, privacy in the building will get maintained, because if door is located in the corner, obviously there will be less view. If it is located in the center of the wall, center of the room, in that case maximum view will be there, so privacy of the room will get disturbed. Now this is the door frame, this is a panel door. Now technical terms. So there are some technical terms. Number one is frame. It is an assembly or horizontal and vertical members forming an enclosure to which the shutters are fixed. So this is called as frame. This total is called as frame, and in between this frame, this total assembly of the door, it can be fixed. So this is called as frame. So here you can see this is a frame. This is called as a frame. This total is called as a frame. Next is shutter. These are the openable parts of the door or windows. These are the shutter. This is total is called as shutter. These are the openable parts. So this is the center point of the shutter. So here this is the left side shutter, this is the right side shutter. Shutter is nothing but it is the openable part of the door or window. Next is head. This is the top or uppermost horizontal part of the frame. What is head? The top or uppermost part of the frame. It is called as head, because this frame, it consists of top part, this consists of bottom part. Here bottom part is not provided. This consists of vertical part, this is also another vertical part. So the topmost part of the frame, uppermost part of the frame, horizontal member, it is called as head. Sill. This is the lowest or bottom horizontal part of the window frame, not provided in door frame. So sill is, this term is associated with the window frame. So in case of window frame, in addition to this vertical, the uppermost horizontal member, bottommost horizontal member is provided, and this is called as sill in case of window frame. In case of doors also, sometimes it is provided, or normally from Vastu Shastra point of view, people used to provide this type of sill member. Next is horn. These are the horizontal projections of the head and sill. The length of the horn in door is kept about 10 to 15 centimeter. Normal it is 7.5 centimeter. So this projecting member of the head, it is called as horn. On the bottom also, if simple member is there, you will find this type of projection, and it is called as horn. Here you can see this is the horn, and normal this projection is 10 to 15 centimeter, and general it is provided 7.5 centimeter. So this horn is provided to provide fixity to this door frame into the wall opening. It provides strength to the door frame into the wall opening. Now next is style. It is the vertical outside member of the shutter of a door or window. So this vertical outside member, this is called as stile. This is also a stile. Here you can see this is the stile. So what is stile? It is the vertical outside member of the shutter of a door or window. So this is called as stile. To provide the shutters, this stile is provided. Then top rail, this is the topmost horizontal member of the shutter. Topmost horizontal member of the shutter is called as top rail. So this is called as top rail, topmost horizontal. Lock rail, it is the middle horizontal member where locking arrangement is provided. So it is called as lock rail. So this is called as lock rail where locking arrangement is provided. So here you will find locking arrangement is provided. Then bottom rail, this is the lowest horizontal member of the shutter. It is called as bottom rail. So this is called as bottom rail. Then panel, this is the area of the shutter enclosed between the adjacent rails. So this is called as panel. This is called as panel. The area of the shutter enclosed between the adjacent rails. So area which is enclosed between the rails. So this is the lock rail, this is the freeze rail. The area between this is called as panel. At the same time, area between this top rail and this freeze rail, this is also a panel. So area which is enclosed between the rails, it is called as panel. Then next is the hold fast. So this is called as hold fast. It is a mild steel flats generally bent into Z shape. So here you can see it is provided with the Z shape. This type of Z shape is provided here. It is a mild steel flat generally bent into Z shape. To fix the frame to the opening, the horizontal length of the hold fast is kept about 20 cm and is embedded in the masonry. So this hold fast, it is provided to provide fixity to this frame into the masonry. It is having Z shape and normally this length is kept as 20 cm and normally it is made up of mild steel flat. What is the use of this hold fast? To provide fixity to the door frame into the masonry. It is provided. So this is called as hold fast. So this is all about various technical terms associated with the door. Now coming to sizes of the door, it's very important. In general, door should have such a dimension that it allows the movement of the largest object likely to be passed through the door. So what should be the size of the door? So largest object should pass into the room or into the building. While in case of residential building, it should be aimed that two persons walking shoulder to shoulder, म्हणजे खांद्याला खांदा लावून जर दोन माणसं चालली तर ते आत जाऊ शकली पाहिजे, बाहेर येऊ शकली पाहिजे, त्याप्रमाणे आपण डोरची साईज ठेवली पाहिजे. राईट. While in case of public building, sizes are normally the size of the door provided in the different location the building or its house. Internal doors for residential building normally size is 0.9 meter to the 0.9 meter by 2.1 meter. 0.9 meter is the width, 2.1 meter is the height. So here this width is 0.9 meter and this height is 2.1 meter. In external doors for residential building, 1 meter by 2.1 meter the size of the door should be. Now doors for bathrooms and water closet, WC in residential building, 0.7 meter by 2 meter. The width is reduced, height is also reduced in case of bathrooms and WCs because these bathrooms and WCs are having less sizes with compared to normal rooms. Doors in public building, hospital, library, cinema, trade city, 1.2 meter by 2.25 meter. 2.25 meter. Doors in garages, 2.5 meter by 2.25 meter. Garages म्हणजे व्हेकल आत बाहेर जाऊ शकलं पाहिजे. For that purpose size is more. Now minimum height of a door should not be less than 1.8 meter. The minimum height of the door, because comfortably the person with hands up should be in a position to enter into the room. That is, the minimum is 1.8 meter. Common criteria for size doors used in India is as follows. Width is 4.6 to 0.6 times of height. The width of the door should be 0.4 to 0.6 times height of the door. And height of the door should be width plus 1.2 meter. Whatever width is provided plus 1.2 meter. So if you consider 0.9 meter is the width, height will be 2.1 meter. Right? So in this way, this is the common criteria, it's common standard criteria to provide the doors, size of door, the width and height in India. Width should be 0.4 to 0.6 times of the height. If height is 2 meter, in that case minimum 2 into 0.4, 0.8 and maximum 1.2 meter. In between this 0.8 to 1.2, one should provide the width. Similarly, height is width plus 1.2 meter. So these are the thumb rules you can say regarding the size of the doors. Now method of fixing of door and window frames. How should we fix? The fixing place of the door and window frame need special attention. It will depend on the way the shutters are to open. Usually the front doors open inside. Normally whatever the front door or entry door is provided in the building, it opens outside. Nowadays people opens it inside. People open it inside. So front doors are normally open inside only. It can be open outside. The door of shutters are planned to swing 90 degree or 180 degree or parallel to the wall, depending upon the requirement. In modern building construction where concrete lintels are used, or opening door and window frames are fixed after the roof construction and before plastering of masonry is taken. So while fixing the door shutters or window shutters, normally we shall discuss regarding door shutters, proper attention, patient attention should be given. Sometimes what happens, the two doors are two doors are in the internal walls. I am talking of the internal walls. Two doors are kept side by side. In that case, if the shutters are opening inside, in that case there is possibility of overlapping. Means if the shutter is open inside and additional opening is there, it will get closed. The purpose will not get served. For that purpose, one shutter should open outside and next should be open inside. In that case, the purpose will get short. So due consideration in the planning, due consideration should be given to this opening of the door shutters, because sometimes good planning is done. Doors are planned very nicely, but opening of the shutters will hamper the utility of the room. So major consideration should be given to the opening of the shutters. So while discussing building design and drawing, more concepts will get clear, right? So this is all about the door, the concept regarding door and different technical terms as well as sizes of the doors. In the next video we will discuss in detail the types of the doors.